Scale refers to the size of one object relative to another object, while proportion refers to the size of the parts of an object in comparison to each other. A simple way of thinking about the difference between the two is, if you are familiar with Alice in Wonderland, to picture a miniature Alice in comparison to the caterpillar's giant mushrooms as an example of scale, and to picture the size of the Red Queen's head to her body as an example of proportion. Scale and proportion are great tools for creating drama and suspense in any work of art. By putting a tiny figure looking up at a giant skyscraper, you can create the sense that the figure is perhaps overwhelmed by their surroundings, or that narratively they may be feeling helpless or nervous. On the same vein, scale can be used to make usually harmless creatures into terrifying monsters, or can turn usually horrifying monsters into adorable pets. An artist's use of scale in a piece is a very crucial part of telling their story and conveying what their message is. Proportion is very similar to scale, but occurs within one object and not between a couple or more objects. By playing with the proportions of an object, artists can create something comedic to realistic depending on how they want to use proportions. A way in which Japanese animators use proportion to their advantage in anime is to make the eyes bigger. This allows them to create more complex emotions with just the expressions of the eyes. To try this out for yourself at home, try taking a usually very tiny creature and making it much bigger than its surroundings. As always, we would love to check out your awesome creations, so feel free to tag us or email us at lexingtonartleague@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.